Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn a pencil drawing into a full color artwork using ChatGPT. So if you got a pencil sketch or line drawing with just a photo and ChatGPT, you can turn it into a full color digital art in minutes. So no Photoshop, no art degree, just AI magic. And let me show you how. So first, you can start with a photo or scan of your pencil sketch. You can try to get a clear, high contrast image. Even your phone camera works great. So you can also clean up the sketch a little using any mobile photo editor if you want to. After that, you can just ask ChatGPT to colorize it. So let's just open the ChatGPT application. And here I'm going to use this prompt: convert this black and white sketch into a fully colored versions while keeping the original size and aspect ratio unchanged. Apply appropriate and natural color based on the scene or the subject of the sketch, and ensure the coloring looks smooth and well balanced, enhancing the details without altering the original work. So you can just tap on this image options and choose photo, and then just upload your sketch. Tap on add. Now just click on this arrow up to start generating your photo into a digital art. You can also, if you want a Disney style anime or realistic painting version, you can just tweak your prompt. So you can just add in the style of Studio Ghibli, let's say, or in the style of anime. You can just write like that, and ChatGPT will generate the photo. Okay, now it's still creating the image. Let's just wait for a while. Okay, so now it's done. So here is my original pencil sketch, and here is the AI color artwork. Honestly, it's like turning your notebook doodle into gallery art. So that's how you can turn your pencil sketches into a full color art using ChatGPT. If you're an artist or love creating, you can hit like, subscribe for more AI art tips, and drop your sketch ideas below. Don't forget to click on the thanks button below, and I might turn one into our next video. So don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye!